Here's Kirsten, a cosmetology student who turned her love for bold hair colors and beauty trends into a professional path. At OTC, Kirsten trains in a state-of-the-art salon, gaining hands-on experience with real clients and expert guidance from industry professionals. Her story is all about transforming creativity into a thriving future. Take it away, Kirsten.
Thanks, Alex. Hey, everyone. For the longest time, I always thought I wanted to be in medicine or a lawyer. But in high school, I realized that just didn't feel right. I've always been a creative person, but I never actually thought I could make a living being artistic. When I discovered that I can actually express myself through hair, skin, and nails, my cosmetology passion took off. I've always been drawn to dyeing my hair with crazy colors and love doing my nails. I was at a career day when I saw a cosmetology poster on an OTC table across the room and immediately jumped in. On my first day of class, I walked into a fully supplied salon and was blown away. The salon has an entire lineup to learn with, including colorful nails, makeup, skincare, and more. Right away, you work with cosmetology materials, and even more amazing is that we get the opportunity to practice our craft on real clients within the program salon since it's open to the community. This experience prepares you for a career in the professional workplace, and the prices for the public can't be beat. The instructors are all top-notch, and many work professionally along with teaching at OTC. Not only do they instruct us on cosmetology techniques, but they advise students like me who are entrepreneurially minded on how to run our businesses. I've learned so many things and have grown a relationship with all of my peers and instructor. It feels like family. No matter what, we always look out for each other and help out when needed. It just feels like a second home. Whatever major you choose, you won't just learn about it at Ogeechee Tech. You'll get experience doing it too. Throwing it back to you, Alex.
Kirsten, your journey proves that following your creative spark can lead to an exciting hands-on career. From bold nail colors to professional salon experience, you've embraced every opportunity. Surrounded by supportive classmates and instructors, you're ready to make your mark in the beauty industry. And we can't wait for the world to see your artistry.